welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 13 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is the adverbs, right? So इस chapter में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं about the adverbs. So let us see that what are these adverbs first of all. So adverbs are the words that are used to add some more things, some more meaning to the verbs, to the adjectives and to the other adverbs as well, right? So let us begin with the chapter and see that adverbs के बारे में हमें क्या बताया जा रहा है, right? So here we have the definition first of all. So they say that adverbs tell us more about verbs. कि जो adverbs हैं वो हमें verbs के बारे में और भी ज़्यादा additional information provide करती है. So adverbs answer the questions how, when and where. तो ये जो adverbs हैं ये आंसर करती है questions जो कि है how, when and where, right? So here we have the examples. So example says Radha sang sweetly. How did Radha sang? Radha ने कैसे गाना गाया? Just sweetly, right? Radha sang yesterday. When did Radha sang? Radha ने कब गाना गाया? Yesterday, right? Radha sang there. Where did Radha sang? Radha ने कहाँ गाना गाया? Right? So the adverbs sweetly, yesterday and there tell us more about the verb sang. तो ये जो adverbs हैं sweetly, yesterday और there, ये सभी हमें adverb sang के बारे में बताते हैं, right? Next, an adverb tells us how a verb does something or how an action is done. तो एक adverb हमें बताता है कि एक verb कैसे काम करता है या फिर कैसे वो किसी चीज़ को perform करता है, right? Next, we have the kinds of adverbs over here. So the very first kind of adverb which is given over here is the adverb of manner. तो अगर बात की जाए adverb of manner के बारे में तो वो क्या है? Let's see. Adverb of manner describes the verb and tells us how an action happened. तो जो adverb of manner है वो एक verb को describe करता है और हमें बताता है कि कोई काम कैसे किया गया था. It answers the question how. ये हमें बताता है कि कोई काम कैसे perform किया गया, right? How. Example, he was waiting patiently for his food. Correct? Next, there is a difference between an adverb and an adjective. तो यहाँ पर adverb और adjective के बीच में एक difference है. Adjectives tells us about noun. तो जो adjective है वो हमें noun के बारे में बताता है, right? She sang in a sweet voice. So sweet जो है वो हमारा adjective है और voice जो है वो हमारा noun है, right? So adverbs tell us more about a verb, an adverb or an adjective but never a noun. तो हमारा जो adverb है वो actually हमें या तो verb के बारे में कुछ बताता है, एक adjective के बारे में कुछ बता सकता है, right? पर वो हमें कभी भी एक noun के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बता सकता है, right? They can be formed by adding ly to the adjectives. ये actually adjectives में ly लगाकर बनाए जा सकते हैं, जैसे कि she sang sweetly. Sang is the verb over here and sweetly is the adverb. Correct? Next, when the adjective ends in y, it is changed to I and then add ly. कि जब भी adjective y पर ख़त्म होगा तो हम उस y को रिप्लेस कर देंगे I के साथ और उसमें ly ऐड कर देंगे. Example, angry becomes angrily and happy becomes happily. Right? Next, when the adjective ends in e, then drop e and add ly. तो जब भी एडजेक्टिव एंड किया जाए ई पर तब हम ई को ड्रॉप कर देते हैं और ly को ऐड कर देते हैं, राइट? बट ये सिर्फ कुछ ही केसेस में पॉसिबल है, कुछ में ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल, ट्रू इज इक्वल टू ट्रूली एंड रूड इज इक्वल टू रूडली. सो एक केस में हमने ई को हटा दिया है पर दूसरे केस में हम ई को नहीं हटा पाए हैं. करेक्ट? मूविंग अहेड, द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. तो अब अगर बात की जाए एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस के बारे में, तो एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस tells us where or what place an action is done. तो एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस जो है वो हमें बताते हैं कि कोई काम कहाँ पर किया गया है. एंड आंसर्स अ क्वेश्चन वेयर, और ये हमें वेयर क्वेश्चन का आंसर बताते हैं, सच एज outside, everywhere, here, upstairs, downstairs, etc. Example, they are playing outside. She wants to go downstairs. Right? Next, it is adverbs of time. तो अब अगर बात की जाए adverb of time के बारे में, तो वो क्या है? Adverb of time tells us when or what time an action takes place and answers the question when. तो adverb of time जो है वो हमें बताता है कि कब और कहाँ कोई एक्शन किया गया था, right? They can be placed at the beginning or end of sentences. कि ये या तो sentences के beginning में place किए जाएंगे या फिर end में, जैसे कि early, soon, late, yesterday, tomorrow, now, today और etc. Right? So example है, I shall meet him now. Today, I shall go to the market. Right? Next, it is adverb of degree और quantity. तो अब adverb of degree और adverb of quantity के बारे में बात करते हैं. So it is an adverb that shows how much or in what degree or to what extent is called an adverb of degree and answers the question how much. तो ये जो adverb of degree और quantity है ये हमें बताती है कितना, right? कि कोई भी काम like what was the degree, किस हद तक वो काम किया गया. So such as almost, altogether, rather, extremely, etc. Right? Example, the mangoes are almost ripe. Right? Next, we have adverb of frequency और number. तो अब बात की जाए adverb of frequency और number के बारे में. So it is adverb of frequency shows how often or in what order an action is done and answers the question how often. तो ये जो adverb of frequency है ये शो करता है कि कैसे या फिर किस ऑर्डर में कोई काम किया गया है और वो कैसे एक क्वेश्चन को आंसर करता है, राइट? सच एज नेवर, समटाइम्स, seldom, always, etc. Right? Now we have example which says she seldom comes to meet her mother. Right? Next, Jaya called me twice to her house. Correct? Next, we have adverb of frequency that can be replaced. अब एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रिक्वेंसी की बात करते हैं जो कि हम लोग प्लेस करते हैं, जैसे कि बिफोर द वर्ब इफ इट इज अ वन वर्ड वर्ब. एक वर्ब से पहले अगर वो एक वन वर्ड वर्ब है तो गीत ऑलवेज कम्स ऑन टाइम. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, आफ्टर द फर्स्ट वर्ड व्हेन द वर्ब हैज मोर देन वन वर्ड. अगर एक वर्ब में एक से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स हैं तो फिर हम पहली वर्ब के बाद में फ्रीक्वेंसी को प्लेस करेंगे, राइट? जैसे कि गीत हैज़ ऑलवेज कम ऑन टाइम. नेक्स्ट, आफ्टर द फर्स्ट वर्ड व्हेन द वर्ब हैज़ मोर देन वन वर्ड. अब so that was all about the chapter adverbs. I hope you all are clear with them as well as their kinds also. So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it. So let's begin with the practice worksheet of chapter number 12. So beginning with the very first exercise of the worksheet that says multiple choice questions, MCQs, right? So let's read the first one that says adverbs answer the question. तो adverbs कौन सा question answer करते हैं and the options are how, are or is. So the correct answer is how, right? Then next, an adverb tells us how a dash does something. So an adverb tells us dash and the options are noun, pronoun or verb. So the correct option is noun, right? An adverb tells us that an adverb tells us how a noun does something. Then adverbs tells us more about. कि adverbs हमें किसके बारे में और चीजें बताते हैं? And the options are verbs, nouns और pronouns. तो एडवर्ब्स जो है वो हमें बताते हैं किसके बारे में? वर्ब्स के बारे में, राइट? सो वील राइट वर्ब्स ओवर हियर. देन राधा sang yesterday. In this sentence the adverb is. So इस सेंटेंस में जो एडवर्ब है वो क्या है? The adverb is yesterday, right? Clear? Next. Now the exercise says pair each verb with the most suitable adverb to show how a verb does something. Right? तो अब this is kind of matching. हमें हर verb को उसके adverbs से match करना है according to the suitability. Such as wrote. So wrote can be neatly, right? Cried. Cried can be cried bitterly. Laughed. Laughed can be happily. Smiled sweetly and explained clearly. Then on the other side, shouted loudly. Waited patiently. Slept soundly. frowned angrily and shone brightly. Right? Then, next, fill in the blanks with adverbs given in brackets to show when a verb does or did something that suits the sentence. So it says, I met her yesterday. Next, he goes to office daily. They arrived at 10 o'clock or early. So it is early. We must bake chocolate cookies tomorrow. I will be in class 5 last year or next year. So it is next year. Right? Now, here's a note that tells us an adverb tells us where something happens. Right? कि एक वर्ड एडवर्ब हमें ये भी बताता है कि कोई भी काम कहाँ हो रहा है, right? That means the place where the action is going on, right? So, moving to the next exercise that says choose the appropriate adverb to replace the words in bold type. तो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में हमें कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं जिसमें we have these things over here, right? बोल्ड टाइप वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं. उन बोल्ड टाइप वर्ड्स को हमें इन वर्ड से एक्सचेंज करना है that are given in the box. So, it is the soldier walked towards the enemy without any fear. So, without any fear की जगह हम लिख सकते हैं bravely. Right? Next, the Basus visit the Sen family many times. Many times की जगह हम लिख सकते हैं frequently. Next, father answered Robin's questions with patience. Patience की जगह हम लिख सकते हैं patiently. Then, we make it a point to eat fruits every day. Every day की जगह we can write daily. Then, he got all his sums wrong since he did them without caring. So, without caring की जगह we can write carelessly. Right? Now, moving ahead, we have the exercise that says underline the adverbs along with the verb. तो अब जल्दी से adverbs को underline करते हैं verb के साथ, right? So it is the baby cried loudly as it was hungry, right? So what are the adverbs in this sentence? It is loudly. Then, Arthur could do the sums easily because he had studied hard. Can be easily. Next, the stranger walked quickly as he was being followed. So, the answer is quickly. Then, the boys waited eagerly for the game to begin. So, eagerly. Then, I hurt my elbow badly as I banged into the door. So, it is badly. right? Then next, underline the adverbs in the following sentences. जल्दी से adverbs को underline करते हैं इन सभी sentences में, right? So it is, the manager sat outside the director's office. So adverb of place is outside. Then, I have been looking for her everywhere. So adverb of place is everywhere. He lives here. So here is the adverb of place. Then, look up to see the balloons flying high. So it is high. Next, I cannot look down from great height. Down. Next, it's raining very heavily outside. Outside is the adverb of place. The servant has gone upstairs. So upstairs is the adverb of place. The bus did not stop here. So here is the adverb of place. Right? Then after that, it says underline the adverbs of time in the following sentences. तो अब इन sentences में हमें adverb of time को underline करना है. So it says, good children go to bed early. So early is the adverb of time, right? The doctor will come soon to attend the patient. So it is soon. Then, she will come tomorrow to deliver the lecture. Tomorrow. He comes here daily to help the students. Daily. That day, he arrived late. So it is that day. And late. Right? Both are the adverbs. Then, Naman came to the party early. Early. Formerly, we lived in Calicut. Formerly. Now I shall begin my journey. Now. Correct? Then next. Says underline the adverbs of degree in the following sentences. So अब in sentences में we have to underline the adverb of degree. So it says the girl draws very beautifully. So it is very. We missed you too much. Too. He speaks rather slowly. So it is rather. The account is particularly true. Particularly. The water was rather cold. Rather. Ronit was altogether mistaken. Altogether. Charu speaks English pretty well. Pretty. She has grown extremely pale. It is extremely. Right? Moving ahead, we have the next exercise that says underline the adverbs of frequency in the following sentences. In sentences may now we have to underline the adverb of frequency. So it says, I always do yoga exercises. So it is always. He has never disobeyed his parents. It is never. He goes to the gym twice a month. Twice. He regularly visits his mother. Regularly. I go for a walk thrice in a week. Thrice. They come to our house sometimes. Next, she prays to goddess Durga daily. Daily is the adverb of frequency. I met him once at the party. Once is the adverb of frequency here, right? Now next, fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. तो अब हमें इन blanks में suitable adverbs के साथ sentences को complete करना है. So, it is the girl gets up early in the morning. We must dash walk on soft mud. We must slowly walk on soft mud. The officer is dash pleased with the security. The officer is much pleased with the security. Sonakshi will sleep soundly. The train to Jammu will be dash because of the accident. Will be late. Then the work is dash finished. The work is just finished. Next, dash a delegation from Pakistan came to India. So, it is yesterday a delegation came from Pakistan to India. Then, the weather is dash cool. The weather is absolutely cool. Have you dash been to Kerala? Have you ever been to Kerala? We should dash speak the truth. We should always speak the truth. Correct? Then, fill in the blanks with adverbs formed from adjectives given in the brackets. तो अब हमें ब्लैंक्स में भरना है एडवर्ब्स के साथ जो कि फॉर्म होते हैं एडजेक्टिव्स के थ्रू ब्रैकेट में दिए गए, राइट? सो इट सेज शी क्लोज्ड द डोर. क्वाइट से हम क्या बना सकते हैं? इट कैन बी क्वाइटली. सो इट इज QUIETLY, quietly. Next, the hosts dash greeted the guests cheerfully. Our cricket team easily won the match. The king shouted angrily and everyone was afraid. We should dash go for a morning walk. We should regularly go for a morning walk. Karim answered all the questions confidently. Then the man waited dash in the queue patiently. My parents dash showed the trophy to the relatives proudly. Then she goes to the market rarely. The children sat dash in the teacher's absence. The children sat regularly in the teacher's absence, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all found it easy and clear. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.